Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. And today is supposed to be the last day that I was shooting these continuous videos for 21 days because it was supposed to be the end of the 21-day lockdown that India was doing. Unfortunately, what has happened is, unfortunately not, not exactly, but maybe for the good. The lockdown has been extended for until May 3rd, so that's another a little over 2 weeks. So let's see what we can do now. So maybe I'll reduce the number of uploads that I've been doing. Maybe once in 2 or 3 days. I'll try to upload as much as I can. I have a couple more ideas that I want to make a video upon, but I don't think it's a good idea now. So also another thing that's happened in Shillong is that we have the first COVID-19 case in Shillong, and it's pretty close, maybe about 3 kilometers from here. I mean, it's a small hill station, and everything's within 5 to 10 kilometers, but this is pretty close. And also, what has happened is the first case that we have here is a doctor from a renowned hospital in this town, and that has affected us. And I mean, we're just scared now because we don't know who all has come in contact with that particular hospital, and people are still trying to find out. This has happened as of last night, and we're still trying to figure it out. So that's why the video that I'm making today is a little late. I was trying to catch up with the news that was happening today. Anyway, so today what we'll anyway make the video because this is supposed to be the last video for the 21-day lockdown. And the video that we'll be making today is I'll just show you the GoPros that I've been using, or I was using and I'm using right now for recording and making all my videos. It'll be a quick, tour and what has changed between what I was using and what I'm using now. So let me quickly change the view. I'll show the GoPros actually, and let me take it forward. Cool. Okay, so these are the two GoPros that I have. This is the GoPro Hero 3 Plus Black Edition, and this is the GoPro Hero 8. So I've been using this 3 Plus Black Edition for about, since the time it was launched to until maybe a month back. And all the latest videos that I've been uploading are with this, and all my older videos that I've been uploading about riding around town is with this. And it's been a huge upgrade for me. First thing first, uh, you know this and this. Look at that. We have a screen. I have a screen to see what I'm shooting, or what exactly I've shot. I can preview it. This was completely missing in the GoPro Hero 3 Plus, and this is something that is a boon for me. A blessing for me, and I really enjoy this. There was an option to get a screen for the Hero 3 Plus, but that simply didn't make sense. The second thing that I've really been enjoying is the stabilization that this offers. This has no such stabilization on offer. You have to pretty much make sure that you're shooting a stabilized video, either get a gimbal or any other device that could help you stabilize the video. But this has an inbuilt stabilization, and that is pretty good. It works beautifully. So apart from that, those are the two major things that I'm enjoying now. That's something that wasn't there. But what has happened is with this GoPro, the GoPro Hero 3 Plus, I got a very decent amount of accessories that they gave. There was a remote. There was a remote that you could put it around your wrist, and then there were quite a few mounts that they gave with the stock camera without purchasing additional accessories. And just the mounts that you can paste on your, say, a flat and a curved mounts. I think I got about 3 each with this camera, but whereas with this I just got about one curve mount, and that's it. Oh, one curve mount and one flat mount, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, so that's it. So apart from that, another thing that I used to enjoy with the 3 Plus was, so I have this lapel mic, or a collar mic, or whatever you call it, and it was very easy to use this with this camera. So all you had to do was put this in here, and you're ready to record your voice. It was that easy. And getting this lapel mic was pretty cheap, at least within India. You get it for about 100 rupees, 150 rupees. That's it. Whereas on this, you need a different adapter just to get your mic going, and that's about another, I think, if I'm not mistaken, say roughly 4,000 rupees, and the mic is separate. So just the adapter is about 4,000 and the mic is separate, so that adds to your cost. And this itself is expensive, a lot more expensive. So I got this from the States. A friend got it for me from the States, but this I got it from Amazon India, that is. It's fairly accessible now, but with this now the cost of accessories are much higher. So yeah, apart from that, also what has differed now is earlier the battery compartment is separate from where you put in your SD card or your HDMI output or your micro USB. Not micro USB, I think this is mini USB. Whereas now everything is in one compartment, which is here. So you have your SD card here, your battery compartment, and the one and only USB Type C port here. So that has become a little difficult now. Now the problem is to use a microphone, I need to plug it here, and as you can see, the door is here, and that has become a hassle for me now. I need to figure out some workaround. So I know Ulanzi makes a door just for this, where you can, there's a hole here, and you can put if I'm not mistaken, USB Type C here. I mean the adapter. Whereas on this, you just remove this and you're good to go. The battery is separate, so you don't need to worry about the battery coming off. So yeah, things have, there are pros and cons for both. Can't keep going and comparing, but then this definitely has been a huge upgrade for me in terms of the image quality, the stabilization, and definitely the screen. Earlier what used to happen was I would idly pair the GoPro 3 Plus with my phone and check it on the phone, and that was quite a hassle because then you're dealing with two devices. You're dealing with the GoPro itself and the phone to see what you're capturing. Whereas on this one, you can just see it on this itself. You don't need your Wi-Fi connections. And also, yeah, with the Wi-Fi on the 3 Plus, it consumed a lot more battery. Whereas on this, you don't need to switch on Wi-Fi because you have a display to see what you're shooting exactly. So yeah, that's about it, guys. These are the two cameras that I have been using now. This was what I was using all the time earlier, and this is something that I've been using now, and I think I'm enjoying this a lot more now because I have access to the back screen or rear screen here, and that has changed. My shots a lot. At least I can see what I'm shooting. Earlier it was all guesswork here, and also the stabilization definitely helps. You don't need an external gimbal or anything like that to stabilize your video. So that's about it, guys. That's it for today. I don't think I'll be making any more daily videos at least, so I'll be trying to post a video maybe one in every 2 to 3 days, and hopefully I can do this for the next few years, maybe. Hopefully, let's see if we can do that. So until then, guys, stay safe. We just got a lockdown extension, so we will definitely be indoors. I can't take out the 390 anymore for another two and a half weeks maybe. But all I can do is play with this maybe. So yeah, take care, guys. Bye bye. Stay safe, stay indoors, and let's hope we get through this as soon as possible. Bye bye.